Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the another video. So last night I updated my iPhone 10s to the iOS 18 and oh my god, the phone was completely miserable. It was lagging a lot. I couldn't use my device. Everything was lagging a lot and I just kept my phone aside. And today I pick up the phone back again and now it's working pretty well. Well, welcome back to the channel guys. Welcome back to the another video. In today's video I'm going to talk about my first impressions of the iPhone 10s running all new latest iOS 18.0. Well, if I go to the settings over here, as you can see, I have installed the iOS 18.0. The build number is 22A3354 and it brings a lot of new features. There are tons and tons of new features. I talk about every other feature in so many of my videos. All the videos are available on my channel. Also, as you can see, I have selected the orange wallpaper. You know why? If you don't know, let me know in the comment section below. Well, let's talk about what happened last night. So I updated my phone yesterday. I was filming iOS 17.7 video, the day in the life video. I really enjoyed that video. That video will come soon on channel very soon. I have to edit that video, but after completing day in the life video featuring iOS 17.7, I updated my device to the iOS 18 because I want to try out all the new features in the iPhone 10s because it is one of the oldest device that is supporting the iOS 18. So when I installed the iOS 18, device was in very bad condition. It was lagging a lot. Nothing was working fine. Even apps were lagging. Home screen was lagging a lot. I was not able to go to the control center and everything was working really bad, but still I updated. So I kept my device aside and after for like 8-12 hours now I'm using this device and now it is pretty much very much stable. There are some issues definitely and I'm going to talk about those issues also in this video, but from apart the lags that were I was getting yesterday, those lags are pretty much gone. Device is quite stable. I will definitely share the Geekman score over here. The device is quite stable, but it is not 100% working fine. Now I don't understand one thing, that if Apple want to give support to their oldest iPhones, why don't they bring stability? Maybe they bring stability in the 18.0.1 as it is not out yet. Everyone is waiting for the 18.0.1. If you are also waiting, let me know in the comment section below. So let's get to the Geekbench score over here. Go to the CPU history over here. This is the 18.0 Geekbench score. As you can see, it is 1317 on a single core while 2588 on a multi-core. If I compare it with the average iPhone 10s score, so single core score is slightly better. As you can see in the multi-core score, the average iPhone 10s has better scores than the 18.0. So in the multi-core I do have problem over here. If I go back and show you the 17.7 multi-core score, it was much better. So yeah, there might be issues in the multi-core performance, but you need to understand whenever new iOS update comes, it take couple of days to get stable. So maybe after a couple of days it gives me a better score. Let's see. But there were some issues. I was watching YouTube today and while watching video, internet was off. It was a downloaded video on YouTube because I just started using YouTube Premium, so it was hitting a lot. My phone was quite warm. That is something new to me because while watching YouTube videos it is not supposed to get warm, but it was warm. So as many people are complaining they are having heating issues on 18.0, yes, there are heating issues. I checked those issues. If I go into the settings and talk a bit about the battery life, because I haven't used it much, I use it for like few hours maybe. As you can see, for using around 70% of battery life, screen on time is 2 hours and 26 minutes. As I said, I use YouTube a lot over here. It is not lot, just 37 minutes. I haven't used it much, but this is my first impression. Battery is okayish. It is not good battery, it is okayish battery, but definitely I will bring a full proper review after using it for a couple of days. For now, I cannot talk much about it. This is just my first impressions of iPhone 10s. And last night it was miserable. I was not able to use my device, but now after a few hours, maybe after half a day, device is quite better. It is in terms of performance, it is stable. I'm still facing heating issues using simple applications. There may be problem of battery draining, but I'm not sure about that because I need to test it more to talk about the battery draining. So yeah, there are some issues going on. Well, I will test the device more. I will use different applications for a couple of days more, and we will see how the device is running. And if you guys are using iPhone 10s, you need to update to the iOS 18 or you need to stay on the iOS 17.7. We will talk about this question later, but not today. But for now, first impressions are decent. It was laggy, now it is better. I will talk more about this in upcoming videos. Well, that's it from this video. I hope you like this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Do like and share this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until that, take care. Peace out.